好，各位大家好啦。咁呢一個咧係2012年嘅DSE 第23條 MC 嚟嘅。咁呢條題目咧就係考翻咧關於呢個growth rate 嗰條式啦，咁樣點樣可以幫助我哋咧嚟到揾翻咧唔同嘅 macroeconomic variables 之間嗰個嘅變化嘅關係嘅。咁首先咧，我諗大家要重溫一下嘅咧就係當如果咧我哋有一個嘅即係 relationship 啦 A/B 如果係等於 C 嘅時候咧，咁原來當我哋咧將佢咧變成一個 growth rate 嘅一個嘅 relationship 嘅時候咧，我哋就可以大約咧將佢咧化為 percentage change in A 減 percentage change in B， 就會大約係等於咧 percentage change in C 嘅。咁點解會係咁咧？咁嗰個嘅 proof 嘅過程咧，我呢一度就唔講解啦。咁但係原則上就係，當如果個關係本身係 A 除 B 等於 C 嘅時候咧，呢個除嘅關係咧，當我哋將佢演變為一個 approximate growth rate 嘅 formula 嘅時候咧，就會變成一個減嘅關係嘅。咁如果相反啦，另一個情況就係 A 等於 B 乘 C 嘅時候咧，呢一個係一個乘嘅關係啦 ，B 乘 C。咁當我哋將佢用一條 approximate growth rate 嘅 formula 嚟到去表達嘅時候咧，就會演變成為 percentage change in A 係會大概等於 percentage change in B 加 percentage change in C 咁樣嘅做法嘅。咁所以我哋用翻呢個嘅關係咧，我哋就可以咧大致去分析一下咧第23條呢條題目啦。好，咁我哋首先睇翻啦，23條呢度就話啦 general price level increased by 10%， 而佢嘅 aggregate output 咧就係 drop by 2%，population 咧就 drop by 10%。OK， 咁最終啦 country A 嘅 nominal GDP 究竟會係點咧？咁樣，咁我哋首先要知道啦，其實 nominal GDP 咧本身嘅計法咧就係用呢一個嘅 real output乘翻呢一個嘅 current year 嘅 price index 係咪？即係或者可以叫做呢個 price level at 呢個嘅price level at current year 啦咁樣。咁所以係一個乘嘅關係嚟，你見唔見到啊 ？Nominal GDP 係等於 real output 乘 current year price index， 咁就即係話咧係類似呢一個嘅情況啦。咁所以一個乘嘅關係，當我哋將佢化為一個 growth rate 嘅式咧，就會變成一個加嘅關係。咁所以咧，我哋可以將佢演變為係咩咧？就係啦，嗰個 nominal GDP percentage change in nominal GDP 咧，其實會係大約等於咧呢一個嘅 percentage change in aggregate output 加 percentage change in price level 㗎。咁所以即係話咧，套翻啲數字落去咧，就會見到啦。由於嗰個 percentage change in aggregate outputs 咧，就會係跌咗2% 啦，而呢一個嘅 percentage change in price level 就會係增加咗10% 啦。所以就即係話大致上咧，呢個嘅 percentage change in nominal GDP 咧就會係正8%，即係咧係增加嘅。咁所以嗰個 C 同 D 嘅答案已經可以咧刪除咗佢啦。好啦，咁我哋亦都可以睇埋啦 ，per capita real GDP 又會係點咧？咁我哋首先要知 per capita real GDP 嗰條式啦。咁啊寫喺呢一度下邊啦，因為個位置都唔係好夠啦，我哋寫喺呢度嗱。per capita real GDP 咧嗰個嘅式咧就會係等於呢一個嘅 real GDP 除翻呢個嘅 size of population。係咪？咁而其實咧，我哋亦都可以話啦，即係呢一個嘅 real， 即係呢一個嘅 real output 乘翻 base year price index， 即係100啦，除翻 population。咁變相就即係話咧，我哋見到啦 per capita real GDP 呢條式咧，就等於real output 除 population 乘翻100，咁嗰個乘100我哋可以不理佢啦。咁啊 real output 除 population， 咁係一個除嘅關係喎。咁即係話就類似係呢一條式啦。咁所以我哋用類似呢個咁嘅 concept 咧，我哋就可以咧寫翻啦。條 growth rate 嗰條式咧就應該係大概就係咩咧 ？percentage change in per capita real GDP 應該咧就會係大約等於 percentage change in real output 減，因為除嘅關係嘛，我哋變做減啦，減 percentage change in 呢一個嘅 population。咁啊，即係話大約係咩咧 ？percentage change in real output 根據條題目所講咧，就會係呢個嘅跌咗2% 啦。咁而 percentage change in population 咧就會係跌咗10%。咁啊，跌咗2%。咁跟住然之後就減翻跌咗10% 喎，咁啊減負10，咁啊即係負得正喎，咁所以就會係大概都係一個嘅正8% 嘅，咁所以即係話我哋計到出嚟咧係兩個都係 rise 㗎，咁樣 OK 得唔得 ？Boy 係錯嘅，咁啊希望呢條題目咧讓大家咧能夠緊記咧呢一個嘅 concept， 因為呢個 concept 咧係可以幫到大家咧做到咧好多呢一類型嘅題目嘅。好，咁我哋呢個 video 嚟到呢度。